Welcome back to Planter Gardener. With this channel, we're going to try to share tips and hacks that work for us. The first one I'm going to show you is really simple, and it will also save you a lot of money. After you put your potting soil, for example, in your pot, what you do is you use regular painter's tape to write in what it is that you're going to put in that pot. So, for example, let's just put flour. And if you want to put a date, you can too. Let's just do 1/1/24 for an example. Then you just peel it off and you stick it on the side. And there you are. Thank you for hanging out with us in our garden. Don't forget to click and subscribe so you can watch our upcoming videos. Join us again at the Green Thumbers Playground.